All right, guys, this is the Milwaukee Packout 22-inch large toolbox. This thing has a max weight capacity of 100 pounds, and it is IP65 rated. It has a handle here, which latches, so you put that down, and it's actually going to latch here on the sides. You can kind of see that. So it's going to be stable. And if you push it all the way forward, it's actually going to latch on top, so it's not going to move around on you. Put that back down. Now, inside the box, you've got a little storage shelf here that can go on either side. And you can get another one if you want. I don't have a lot in the box right now, but you can take that out. Here you've got 22-inch deep actual toolbox, which is super nice. So it is pretty deep. On the outside here, you have these metal bars to kind of help you hold it. If you're moving it around and you don't want to use this, again, you can grab it by here. You got a little stability. It also, if you drop it, it's going to hit these metal bars, which is nice. So you get a little extra protection as well. A lock here, so put your lock through here. It'll sit on the Packout system, and you can stack it on the Packout system, or you can stack things on top of this. Very easy to use. I like these metal locks here. So you actually hear it lock, and you got nice metal latches here. Now, putting it on the rest of the Packout system is really easy. I've got another piece that I'm going to put on top of this. The process would be the same if you were stacking this on something else. This would be the deep organizer. For this, all we're going to do is set it on top. And all we're trying to do is line up the bottom here with these, or set it on top like that. Push it back, lock it in place. To unlock it, again, pull up there, slide it forward, and then you can pull it off. Again, same process if you were putting this on something. Now, this is a very durable piece. It's built very well. It's solid. Again, nice handles on the side, but also used for protection. IP65 rated, 100-pound weight capacity with this is nice, so you get quite a bit in here. On the back here, there is a lip. This is where if you get the wall mount, you can actually stack this on the wall as well, which is nice. But I don't have that here right now, but that's what this is for. Again, very nice piece. Packout is just a great system in general.